Welcome back to Podcast Name, where we dive into the world of tech, innovation, and tools that make our development lives easier. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we're exploring a cutting-edge tool for JavaScript and TypeScript developers called SWC4j. Now, if you're anything like me, the idea of compiling and bundling code can sound tedious, but SWC4j promises to simplify this process while maximizing performance. So what exactly is SWC4j? At its core, it's a Java-based compilation and bundling tool specifically designed to work with JavaScript and TypeScript. Imagine having a powerful assistant that can quickly transform your TypeScript code into JavaScript with minimal fuss. That's SWC4j for you. Now let's break down some of SWC4j's standout features. It works across multiple operating systems, be it Android, Linux, macOS, or Windows, making it a versatile choice for developers everywhere. What's cool is that it utilizes an abstract syntax tree, or AST, which allows it to parse and transform your code efficiently. And if you're worried about your code's size, SWC4j has built-in minification to help streamline those JavaScript files. But that's not just it. SWC4j also caters to broader ES versions, so whether you're targeting legacy browsers or the latest features, you've got options. It even offers source maps, making debugging easier when things don't go as planned. Now let's say you want to get started quickly. The installation is pretty straightforward. You simply add the dependency to your project. For Maven folks, it might look something like this: XML, dependency, group ID, com.caoccao.javit, group ID, artifact ID C4j, artifact ID, version 1.3 point of version, dependency. And for Gradle users, you can implement it in your project with just a line of code. Simple, right? Next, let's talk about the actual transpiling process. Picture this. You've got a simple TypeScript function. Maybe it adds two numbers together. You throw it into SWC4j, and voila, you get JavaScript in return, nice and clean. The process is not just efficient, but also smart enough to give you inline source maps for easier debugging later on. But wait, there's more. If you're concerned about code safety and standards, SWC4j has sanitizer features. It includes checks for certain keywords and can restrict the use of things like var or mutable objects to help protect your code from common pitfalls. Did you know that trying to use var would throw an error? That's SWC4j, keeping your coding practices in check. Let's bring this home. The development landscape is always evolving, and tools like SWC4j are essential for keeping up with the pace. The ability to effortlessly compile and bundle your code while ensuring safety and performance means you can focus more on building great software rather than wrestling with the build process. As we wrap up today's episode, I encourage you to explore SWC4j if you're delving into JavaScript or TypeScript development. Who wouldn't want a tool that simplifies the compilation process with such power and flexibility? Before we sign off, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's the most challenging part of your current build process? Drop us a line and share your experiences. Thank you for tuning in to Podcast Name. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and discussions on the latest tools and trends in tech. Until next time, keep coding and take care.